to the multiplayer section. Before we start, it is good to understand how the multiplayer license works. If you have bought a Genius multiplayer, Fortress multiplayer or Flow multiplayer, the license will be automatically linked to your PC the moment you create a user. Then go to multiplayer in the software. If your license has expired, you need to go to the Tacx online shop. Just select the button purchase and you will be directed to the Tacx online shop. Here's a license for 1 year. If you buy the license, you will receive an email with a license code. Now copy the license code that you received and go back to multiplayer in the software. Now go to register and give in the code that you received. Apply key. Activate again. Next. Next. And next. You will see that your multiplayer license has successfully activated. Now press next again. Now you will see by a refresh that my multiplayer license will be available. Now that we have activated the software, you will see that the bot servers in the current race tab. A bot service is an automatic server that was opened by Tacx. If you are the first user that joins, you will take over the race control. Current races are races that are open. There are 3 tabs. Current races represent races that are live and can be joined. When you select one of these races, the button join will light up. When a race is already started, you will see at start time red text running. Organize race. Here you can create your own race that others can join. Select one of the training types: Catalyst, Real Life Video, Real Life Training or Virtual Reality. It is mandatory to fill in a race name. Start time will show customers how long the waiting room stays open. In a drop-box breaks allowed, you can select what kind of trainers can join your race. In our example, we use a Flow multiplayer or iMagic. Advanced settings. Tacx servers are hosted on a virtual server. This is the best way to work, because no internal route settings are needed. If you have a pop-up saying that the cloud server is offline, select Advanced settings. Select server type and put in on server on my computer. Then go back to server on Tacx network. The cloud will be available again. Always choose server on Tacx network. Calendar. It is possible via the taxvr.com website to plan a race in the future, meaning that other racers can see that you start a race on the 8th of January. See Thomas. These races are displayed in the software. In a later stadium you will be able to plan your own race in the software. Let's go back to current races. Select a race that has 0 riders. This is the same as you organize race. You are entering the multiplayer lobby. Here you can see the details of other riders and the possibility to chat. The countdown displays how long the server will be open to other riders to join. If you are the host, there will be 2 buttons. Start server will start the race, and disconnect that will bring you back to the Tacx training server. join a race, you only have a button ready. Pressing this... If you join a race, you only have a button ready. Selecting ready means a message will go to everybody showing you are ready to start. When all the riders are ready, you can select the start button. The countdown of 10 seconds will begin. After the race, the results will be emailed to all participants.